Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you?
So it means ha re sa iketsetse ha ona motho a tlotla a re etsetsa, and it's only when we come together like this re tla qalela hore re tlise change eo re batlang hore re bone. And I personally on a day-to-day basis I work with business people from a banking perspective, and ke dumela haholo fela hore entrepreneurship is truly a tool e kgolo eo re ka ra e sebedisang in order for us hore re fenye the pandemic.
For you to win in the business world, you need to have the mindset of knowing what is it that is yours. The first business mindset that you need to have is to know your point, is to know your station, is to know where you belong. Therefore you have to function in Lesotho. How can you are restricting yourself? Guys, we want to live and die here. You are not going to be a successful business person if you are going to keep on making excuses. Get rid of the excuses.
How can I fancy? Because the way the business is going to use. You should be selective on which business you are willing to start. Am I clear? Kala kadi dojo tiwa ngola kabatu hadi ya mo na kutoka pale. Isi business yo kwa rasmi na lo sanu ya ko. The first thing go know the market. What I'm saying, it is a challenge. Then get into the communities. Then be patient. Skabasha wa mapunzi ha. Isolate yourself a little bit. And have a car. You should consult before kala business diversify, because the timing you work, the preparation you work before you diversify. Then am I prepared for business in education? It's a honor. Impact and never see it. Because I'm not kala. Usonto the fixed cost but same to some business is so challenge. Rental something battery so challenge. The internal transport isn't just a challenge. And all those expenses being out of the profit margin will be how will you fail?
So anyway, how can you get the passage and about to be in it and say it's
Hallelujah. Moto, household lady, una lele motet how o pay moto, but household people na o tshela mabele amakai e how long mo sa molo o lo mo sa na be ka hore east ya how ibile go to ke o mo so ibile tshwana a to mo so na ne lo ila because household ka o nepa hore ke tlile ke ema mo o ngwana o tla ka mo.
There was a time in the Kupa Umulala Waka in my head, I think, talk massage on that. Now, we're full of I'm up for you. Never hear some big bamboo. You don't want to Facebook Mula Hoki. How long going to business every time they more than 30 years old. That is why now we take a business, it will fail. It will fail. It will fail.